In other news, the Philippines will send 216 para-athletes to the 13th ASEAN Para Games in Thailand, with multi-time Paralympian Gerald Pete Mangliwan serving as flag bearer. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho reports.
The Philippines is set to send 216 para-athletes to the 13th ASEAN Para Games taking place from January 20 to 26 in Nakhon Ratchasima, Thailand. Leading the Philippine delegation in the opening ceremony is multi-time Paralympian wheelchair racer Gerald Pete Mangliwan, named the country's flag bearer. The Filipino contingent, backed by coaches, guides, and team officials, brings the total delegation close to 300 members. Team Philippines will compete in 16 of the 19 sports on the program, with no entries in blind football, wheelchair tennis, and wheelchair shooting.
Maganda yung suporta natin itong past 2 years ng Philippine Sports Commission. Kaya mas mas madami tayong athletes na napadala o nasa stable natin o yung mga tinatawag na national training pool. Yan, madami sila.
After finishing 5th overall in the 2023 Cambodia Games, the Philippines is looking to improve its standing.
And at the same time, itong ASEAN din kasi is parang qualifying din para sa Asian sa Paralympics. So lahat halos ng athletes natin is aiming syempre for the Paralympics. So they're doing their best, lalo sa training. So I think they're 101% for this ASEAN.
For Mangliwan, the honor of being flag bearer comes after another strong international campaign, having just competed in the World Championships, where he finished 4th in the 1,500 meters and 5th in the 400 meters.
Kasi hindi ko talaga expect din kasi sa dami din namin tsaka yung mga kasama ko rin naman, kung titignan mo rin naman is talagang mga deserve din naman yung mga nila So ayun po, nagulat ako nung malaman ko. Nakakatuwa lang po and then nakaka-proud po.
A 3-time Paralympian, Mangliwan will compete in 3 events, 100, 400, and 800 meters.
Pagpunta ko pa lang dun is talagang medyo nakakataba ng puso na nabigyan ulit or nakakaano ng pagkakataon na nabigyan ka na ulit ng ganyan na moment, to showcase kung ano man yung mga pinaghihirapan mo So, ayun po.
With a deep lineup and a seasoned leader carrying the flag, Team Philippines opens its ASEAN Para Games campaign, aiming for a stronger finish and a solid start to a new competitive cycle. Kapatid Denise Valdesancho, we are One News.